Hi, my name is Bianca. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. So today I just really wanted to play around with some stickers and jewels that I have. Like everyone else, recently I have been inspired by the show Euphoria, so I just kind of wanted to do something super extra and fun, and I wanted to match my shirt. So if you are interested in how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. I'm just going to prime using a concealer. I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Cosmetics concealer. I'd have to say please excuse my nails ahead of time. I was too lazy this morning to redo them, so. Okay, so for my first shade color, I'm going to do Bailout from the Urban Decay Troublemaker palette. I use this palette a lot. I just really love this shade Bailout. So I'm using a very fluffy brush. I honestly don't even, I've had this for years. And I'm just kind of spiraling the hell. I'm just kind of using like spiral motions, circular motions, and just like running this all in my crease and all over my lid essentially. Just want like a nice wash of this color. I think I'm going to grab the Huda Beauty Neon palette, and I'm gonna take this like lime green shade. I'm taking this tiny little brush. This is an e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm gonna look forward. I think I want this to be kind of like, no, I don't know what I want to do. Let's just go with it. Let's just see what happens. I have another Urban Decay palette. It's kind of older. It looks like this. I'm going to grab the shade Graffiti. Kind of place it underneath where I placed that lime. Okay, I'm gonna jump into this green shade. Let's see. Place that all over my lid. These are nail stickers. Yeah, you're really gonna have to excuse my nails on this one because they are like horrendous. Sorry. Oh, yep, I like that. So as I started small and then bigger and then small again. Okay, so I just did the other eye off camera. Now I'm just going to tight line my left eye. So you should always wait like 20 to 30 seconds. I mean 30 seconds usually. I just like coat my lash and then I just set it down there, waiting for it to dry. Okay, so once your lash is dry, so Desi Perkins actually taught me this, to look down. Feels weird at first, but like get like a small mirror, look down so you can see where your lash line is, and then place it on top of the lash line. Now time to move on to the face. I'm using my e.l.f. Putty Primer, placing this all over. And I'm going in with the 225 Maybelline Dewy and Smooth. This is a Wet n Wild foundation brush to place it all over. Always blend down your neck and a little on your ears. You don't want to look like you have a mask on, especially if you're like me and you don't tan your face. I only tan my body. If I'm out in the sun, I always have protection. So my face is always lighter than my body. And oh my gosh, my shirt is making so much noise. What the? Oh, that's annoying. Then I'm taking the e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo Concealer. I like to do one eye at a time because this concealer dries down really quick. Okay, I'm just taking the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder and putting that underneath my eyes. And I'll just really set my entire face with this as well. Okay, that lighting is a little bit better. My God. It's so annoying. The Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the lighter shade Sunkissed Bronze. And I'm just going to place that on my cheekbones, my forehead, and underneath my jaw. And run it down my neck as well. And I'm going to use a generous amount of this. I'm using this Smashbox blush. Okay, I'm using this Wet n Wild Blossom Glow, placing that on my cheekbones and on my nose. Okay, so I'm going to take that same green from the Huda Beauty, and I'm definitely going to tap that off because this really is a glitter. I'll put that on the inner corner. Okay, and then I'm grabbing the other shade from the Urban Decay palette and putting that on my lower lash line. Okay, and then for lips, I'm taking MAC Cosmetics Liner and Spice. Okay, then I'm using the Wet n Wild Catsuit Liquid Lip in Send Nudes. Alright, this is the final result. So I'm pretty much going to be on that bandwagon of wearing jewels and crystals and stuff on my eyes pretty much like every day from here on out. For real. So you'll probably be seeing a lot of these tutorials, but yeah, it's just a lot of fun and it's easy, and if you have the patience to work with them, then it's really not that difficult. Anyways, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!